You don't need weeks to build a $2,000 website. You need 5 minutes. Because right now, most service businesses are losing customers every single day. Not because they don't have traffic, but because their websites don't convert. And the crazy part is that fixing it is way easier than anyone thinks. I've built 3 7-figure agencies, worked with over 1,500 small businesses, run thousands of campaigns, and today I do it all as a one-person agency with 0 employees. And lately, I've been using a simple 2-step system to rebuild these websites in minutes using AI. Turning them into high-converting, revenue-generating machines that businesses will happily pay thousands of dollars for, and then keep paying you every single month. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build the website in 5 minutes, sell it for $2,000, and turn it into recurring revenue on the back end. So here's how it works. Most small businesses out there, plumbers, roofers, electricians, cleaners, basically any service business, they've all got a website. I mean, that's basically expected at this point, right? But here's the thing I've noticed. Most of these websites are actually losing those businesses customers and calls. And most of these businesses have no idea that that's even happening. See, they'll blame their marketing. They'll say, I need better ads or I need more SEO, but their actual problem is way simpler than that. They're sending traffic, actual people interested in what they do, to a website that just doesn't convert. Maybe it's got bad design or confusing navigation or no clear call buttons. Sometimes you can't even figure out how to actually book them or call them. So people land on these websites, they get frustrated, they leave, then they call a competitor instead. And that business owner just thinks that nobody's interested. Now here's where the opportunity is. If you can take that broken website and rebuild it into a high converting machine, and I mean do it fast, like 5 minutes fast, suddenly everything changes. They go from losing customers to actually capturing them, and they'll happily pay $2,000 for that fix. But that's not even where the real money is. Because once they see what's possible, once they start getting results from their new website, that's when you introduce reputation management, helping them get more Google reviews and charge $197 to $297 a month for that, every month. And this is how you add recurring revenue on top of your one-time $2,000 website. So let me walk you through exactly how this works, start to finish. And the framework is simple. There's just 2 steps. Step 1 is you capture screenshots of their existing website, then run those through the 5-minute website system prompt in ChatGPT. Step 2 is you take what ChatGPT spits out and then paste it into the AI studio inside High Level in order to build the new site. That's it. And I'm going to show you exactly what each of these 2 steps looks like. So by the end of this, you'll see why this is so much faster than it sounds. So let's start with step 1. I'm going to do this live now so you can see exactly how fast this works. All right, so any company in any city is going to work here, but we'll type in roofing, Henderson, North Carolina, and we'll just grab one of these here. How about Paramount Roofing Services, which has around 5 reviews, and they've got a website we can take a look at. Okay, so here's their website, and already I can see a few things that are costing them calls. Phone number isn't clearly listed. The header is saying a bunch of stuff that customers probably don't really care that much about. Not many of their services, if any, are listed here. There's no benefit-driven copy explaining why you would choose them. Basically, this website isn't doing them any favors. So the first thing I'm going to do here is capture the whole page using a Chrome extension called Go Full Page, which is free to download. I've already got it installed. Quick tip, you're going to want to scroll all the way to the bottom of the site so that it actually loads, so the Go Full Page can actually take a picture of that all. So we'll click that now. It'll capture the page, and now we're done. We've got the full page screenshotted here in just one shot. So we'll download the PNG version of that. We're gonna need it in just a second. And now let's take a look at their Google reviews. So for this, we'll click into reviews, we'll come down here, and all we really need to do is just screenshot a couple of the more positive ones, because we're gonna want them for later as well. All right, so now that I've got everything I need, we're gonna go into ChatGPT, and here's where things get good. So open ChatGPT, we're gonna unload all of those screenshots, and then you're gonna paste in what I call the 5-minute website system prompt. I'm gonna show this on the screen right now, but I appreciate there's a whole lot of text here and it probably looks pretty small. So at the end of the video, I'll show you exactly how to get a copy of this, along with everything else I use to run my entire agency. Now, what this prompt does is tell ChatGPT to act as a conversion rate expert, a direct response copywriter, and a web designer all at once. It analyzes everything, their branding, their current page structure, what's working, what's killing their conversions, and then it writes you a complete ready-to-paste AI Studio prompt based on that specific business. Not a generic template, not some random guess, but a prompt built specifically for that plumber or that roofer or that electrician, using their exact colors, their actual reviews, their actual services. So I paste the prompt in, upload the screenshots, hit enter, and let it do its thing. And then right at the bottom, clearly labeled, is the AI Studio prompt. So we're going to copy this to paste it in just a second. Now, ChatGPT just did the analysis, it wrote the copy and structured the page, and it handed you a prompt built for that specific business, all in under a minute. And while you can use Claude or Gemini or Grok for this, I found that ChatGPT gives you the best audit and analysis, at least right now. Okay, step 2, this is where the magic actually happens. So now that I've got this prompt and I've got it copied, I'm going to take it into AI Studio. Now, if you've never used AI Studio before, think of it as an AI site builder that's genuinely fast, like shockingly fast, and good. It's really good too, but you'll see that in just a second. So inside of my high-level account, I come over here to AI Studio. Then all I've got to do is just literally paste the prompt in there and hit go. Now this is where the 5 minutes actually comes in. So I'm going to pause the video for a second, go get a coffee, and be right back while it builds the page for us. Okay. Website's complete, fully laid out, copies written, sections organized, it's mobile responsive, there's trust elements in place, call buttons, prominent forms, forms that actually work. Basically, this website is now infinitely better than what they had before. It's clean, it's professional, every single element is designed to push toward a conversion, either a phone call or a form submission. Phone number's right there at the top, there's multiple call to action buttons, services are listed with benefit-driven copy, not just feature lists. The Why Choose Us section builds trust, and the FAQ section pre-answers the objections that customers are potentially going to have. And this took 5 minutes. And here's the thing, this works across any service niche. So let me show you another. Let's grab another website. How about HVAC in Portland this time? Same system, same prompt, just a different business. The whole process just repeats. So let's grab one here. How about Max Air Heating? Then we'll do the same thing that we did before. Open up the website, we'll screen capture it, grab some reviews, and throw all of that into ChatGPT in order to get a prompt for the website. We'll use the same 5-minute website system prompt, put it in there, and then let ChatGPT do its thing. And just like last time, we'll grab the AI Studio prompt here, we will copy it, we'll head over into High Levels Studio, we'll drop it in there, we'll hit enter, and we'll give it a few minutes to do it. Now my coffee is still full, so I guess I'll just walk around the office for a minute while this waits and builds it out. All right, coffee's done, and we're done again. Got another website completely redesigned and completely finished in about 5 minutes. Now, most people mess this up right here, and this is where the real opportunity gets lost. They build the website, they hand it over to the client, they collect $2,000, and then they disappear. And for a second, it feels like a win, but then nothing happens. There's no recurring revenue, there's no long-term client, just back to square one, hunting for the next sale. Because the website was never the real opportunity. The website is just the foot in the door. Once it's live and working, the natural next step is helping them get more Google reviews and charging them $197 a month or $297 a month for that. It's a simple add-on, clients love it because they can see the results, and it turns a one-time $2,000 project into monthly recurring income. So now let me walk you through exactly how to position this and how to actually make the sale. The key is this, you're not selling them a website, you're solving a specific problem. Their current website is costing them customers and losing them calls. You're replacing it with something that actually works. And here's the beautiful part. You can reach out however makes sense for you. Call them, email them, send them a DM. If you're in the same city, you could even stop by in person. Doesn't matter because the message does the heavy lifting either way. So write this down because this is word for word what you say. Hey, name, I was searching for niche in city and came across your site. I found a few things that might be costing you leads, so I went ahead and put together a new website for you that's optimized for more calls and customers. Would it be okay to send you the link so you can check it out? Now, and this is important, you don't have to build a website for every single business that you reach out to before you contact them. This is because it only takes you 5 minutes to build. So send the message first. If they say yes, that's when you go build it. 5 minutes, you're done. You're only spending time on people who are already interested. And here's why that message works just so incredibly well. From their side, it looks like you've already done the work. Like you found their site, you spotted the problems, and built them something better before you even reached out. That's not cold pitching someone. That's someone showing up with a gift. Now let me show you the full process, but from the client's perspective, because this is important. They say, yeah, show me the site. So you show them something that took you only 5 minutes. They see it, they're impressed, and you say, okay, so if we do this, here's what happens next. Step 1, they pay. $2,000 depending on what's included. They pay online, they pay immediately, and they get redirected to book their onboarding call with you. Step 2, you set everything up. The new website goes live, the forms are connected to High Level, and everything is ready to go before the call. Step 3, you have your onboarding call. 30 minutes, you walk them through the dashboard, you show them how everything works and what to expect going forward. Step 4, the system goes live. Leads start coming in, they start getting more calls. Step 5, you check in monthly. make sure everything is running smooth, and when they're ready, you introduce reputation management as the next $197 or $297 a month service that keeps them getting Google reviews on autopilot. That's the whole flow. And because you're building it inside High Level, you're already set up for the upsell. They're not learning a new platform, they're just expanding what they already have. Now let me talk about pricing, because this is where people usually get stuck. I price this at $2,000 as the baseline. Here's why this works. I had a garage door contractor I was talking to the other day. He said his average job is about $1,500, but he's only closing like 2 jobs a week. So I said, what if this website brought you just 1 extra job every month? Just 1. Well, he did the math. 1 job is $1,500 times 12 months for the year. That's $18,000 a year from a $2,000 one-time investment. That's how you sell it. You don't say $2,000 for a website. You say $2,000, your average job is worth X. How many extra jobs per month would this need to generate for it to pay for itself? When they do that math themselves, it's not a question anymore. Becomes kind of obvious. Of course, you can adjust this price based on the niche. Some people may want more pages, some might want custom integrations, or they want reputation management right from the start. So you can add 500 or 1,000, whatever makes sense. But the entry point is $2,000. It's low enough that it's a no-brainer, and it's high enough that you've got real money coming in. Most importantly of all though, it's low enough that they're willing to say yes fast instead of having to think about it for 6 months. Now let me be clear about something. This whole system only works if you actually deliver results. If you build them some beautiful looking website but doesn't actually convert, the whole thing falls apart. You don't get the upsell, you don't get the referrals, you just get unhappy clients. So the website has to actually work. But that's why I'm showing you this exact process, because when you build these sites using this framework, they convert. Phone number's prominent, there's call buttons everywhere, there's clear value propositions and trust elements and FAQ answering objections, and all of that is optimized for that specific business. In other words, it's not luck, it's just design. Now, this whole thing is way simpler than you might think it is, and I know that everybody says that, but seriously, most people, they see a system like this and they immediately start trying to complicate it. They think, well, I need a custom site for every client. I need a long sales cycle. I need revisions and iterations, and I'm gonna have to go back and forth for months. But that is literally the exact opposite of what actually works. The real move is to deploy fast, get results, then expand. Think of it like this. You're not building a mansion. You're building a house that works. You're building it fast. 1 week from now, you could have your first client paying you $2,000. 2 weeks, you could have another. A month in, you're at 4 or 5 clients. And here's the part that most people miss. None of these are one-time checks. Every single one of them is a candidate for reputation management at $200 to $300 a month. So 4 clients isn't 4 payments. It's 4 monthly payments every month, on top of the $2,000 they already paid you. That's how you actually build an agency. Not by chasing big retainers that nobody wants to pay you for, but by starting simple and proving results and expanding from there. You don't need a perfect offer, a perfect sales pitch, or a perfect website. You need 1 client. And now you have a system to go get one. Everything I just walked you through, the 5-minute website system, the trainings, the templates, the software, the word-for-word scripts, and client acquisition strategies for inbound and outbound and social and email, all of it, well, you get all of that instantly when you start your free trial to High Level using the link below. And if you want to see exactly how to start and scale this into a full agency, how to choose your niche, how to get clients, and the biggest mistakes that most people make and how to avoid them, I've got a video that I've linked up right here that's going to walk you through the entire thing step by step. So feel free to tap or click that now. We'll see you in there in just a second.